worry about the technology in terms of PowerPoint or sound systems. We've got Mike now. So, Mike, the moons of the solar system, I believe. So, over to you then, Mike.
Thank you. Right, these are all multi-choice questions. Which, so if you don't get at least 2.5, you're not trying. And for the purpose of this exercise, Pluto is classed as a planet. None of this dwarf nonsense.
That's what we want to hear.
And NASA's view is taken as the arbiter on this one. So some of there are different opinions on some things. Anyway, question 1. How many moons are there in our solar system? Less than 50? Between 50 and 100? Between 100 and 150? Or more than 150?
Are they A, B, C, D, aren't they?
They are, yes. Okay. And which planet has most moons? Mars, Neptune, Jupiter, or Saturn? Question 3. Which 2 planets have no moons? Mercury and Pluto, Mars and Neptune, Venus and Mercury, or Venus and Uranus?
Could you
Question.
repeat that, please?
Which 2 planets have no moons? Mercury and Pluto, Mars and Neptune, Venus and Mercury, or Venus and Uranus? Question 4. Which is the largest moon? Ganymede, Titan, our own moon, Luna, or Mimas? Number 5. Which planet has the second largest moon? Jupiter, Saturn, Earth, or Uranus? Number 6. Which planet has the largest moon relative to the size of the planet? Jupiter, Earth, Mercury, or Pluto? Number 7. Roughly how fast does our moon spin on its axis? It's a trick question, it doesn't. Every 24 hours, every 27 days, or every 365 days?
Sorry, could you repeat that one?
Sure. Roughly how fast does our moon spin on its axis? It's a trick question, it doesn't. Once every 24 hours, once every 27 days, or once every 365 days? Okay, number 8. How many people have walked on our moon? None, 6, 12, or 18? And number 9, which Apollo mission was the first to orbit the moon? 3, 6, 8, or 10? And the last question, which is the only moon with a thick atmosphere? our own moon, Titan, Phobos, or Proteus?
Can you repeat that again, Mike? Sorry.
Which is the only moon with a thick atmosphere? Our own moon, Luna, Titan, Phobos, or Proteus? Right, that's all 10.
Brilliant. Gone very quiet.
I might have got more on this one than I did the last one.
Does anyone want Mike to repeat any, or are we happy for Mike to go into the answers? No, I think some of them are starting to hide behind the sofa at this point.
Oh,
Go on then, Mike. Put us out of our misery.
right. Well, question 1. There's more than 150 moons in our solar system.
That was D, wasn't it?
D.
All right.
Yeah.
Question 2. The planet with most moons is Jupiter.
Yay.
Would you be able to say the letter as well? Because I've just
C. Sorry.
Thank you.
C, Jupiter. Right. Number 3.
Do its inquiry.
Yeah.
Mike's giving the
I had
answer.
a different answer, but there we go.
Doesn't matter. Mike says what the answer is, so yeah.
That's it.
Oh,
I didn't
mean,
argue.
this is straight off NASA's website. So
Yeah,
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
something happened in
don't tell I,
2000.
tell E.
Well, they
Something
didn't go
happened
to
in
the moon, so I
2018,
can't
yeah.
believe them.
But it is possible I made a mistake.
No, that's the answer. That's the answer for the quiz.
Right. So which 2 planets have no moons? Is Venus and Mercury. C, Venus and Mercury. Right. And which is the largest moon? It is in fact A, Ganymede.
Ooh.
We threw Titan in there as a trick. Right. And number 5. The planet with the second largest moon is Saturn.
Which was letter.
What letter's that?
Sorry, is B, Saturn. And the planet with the largest moon relative to its own size is D, Pluto. And question 7. The moon spins on its own axis every 27 days. C.
And anyone who did Museum of the Moon, shame on you if you got it wrong.
And number 8. How many people have walked on our moon? C, 12.
Ooh. Okay.
I know some
I'd
people
write
will
them
say
up.
it's none. But, right, and the Apollo mission, which was the first to orbit the moon, it was C, Apollo 8.
Oh, that was a good guess.
And the last question, the only moon with a thick atmosphere is B, Titan.
Ooh, good one.